The next divine name is Al-Ghaffar, which means the one who often forgives. Allah, the Exalted, conceals and covers the faults of His repentant servants without punishing them or holding it against them in any way. He also conceals and forgives the evil hidden passing thoughts of a person without exposing them or punishing them. If the passing thoughts of a person were exposed to other people, they would undoubtedly hate them. A Muslim should never lose hope in the mercy of Allah, the Exalted, as this leads to unbelief. Chapter 12 Yusuf, verse 87.
And despair not of relief from Allah. Indeed, no one despairs of relief from Allah except the disbelieving people.
A Muslim should understand that the forgiveness of Allah, the Exalted, is unlimited, while their sins will always be limited. The limited can never overcome the unlimited. But it is important to note this applies to the one who repents sincerely, not the person who continues sinning, believing they will be forgiven. This is merely wishful thinking, not true hope in the forgiveness of Allah, the Exalted. Sincere repentance involves feeling remorse, seeking forgiveness from Allah, the Exalted, and if necessary from people, sincerely promising to refrain from the same or similar sin again, and making up for any rights which have been violated in respect to Allah, the Exalted, and people. Muslims should act on this blessed divine name by overlooking and forgiving the mistakes of others. It is logical to understand that if one desires the forgiveness of Allah, the Exalted, they should learn to forgive others. Chapter 24 and Nur, verse 22.
And let them pardon and overlook. Would you not like that Allah should forgive you? And Allah is forgiving and merciful.
Finally, just like Allah, the Exalted, conceals the evil hidden passing thoughts of a person, a Muslim must, when appropriate, conceal the faults of others. This will result in Allah, the Exalted, concealing their faults. This has been advised in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6853. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.